In this video, we are going to see how we can extract the opening trial balance for the reconciliation purposes. So let's get started. Alright, now that we have entered all the ledgers and their opening balances, this balance total should match with the trial balance in QuickBooks. So let's see. I'll go to reports and go to accounts and taxes and click trial balance. And from here, maybe we have made any date mistake. So for the confirmation, I'll change the dates to all. Now I can see a balance difference here. It's not the same as this one. That's because the opening balance equity doesn't match. And why it's not matching? Because we need to get rid of this uncategorized income and expenses and shift both of these balances to opening balance equity. So let me just zoom it a little bit so that you can see it clearly. Let's make the font little larger. So this one, I need to make this adjustment. So let's quickly see how we can make this adjustment. What I need to do is I need to reduce this balance from the uncategorized income and shift it to opening balance equity. That means I have to pass the journal entry on the opposite side of the ledger. So if it is credit, I'll put debit in the journal entry, and same goes for this one. If it's debit, I'll put credit, and the remaining balance difference should be shifted to opening balance equity. So let's go to company and make journal entries. So I'll enter this on 1st of January and uncategorize income. Now, since we have changed it to single window, that's why we don't have an option to minimize and see the trial balance. But what you can do is I'll go to the open windows from here and click on trial balance directly from here. So 1650,000. Let's go to the make journal entries. I'll make it debit 1650,000. And let's put the memo opening balance adjustment, something like that. Now let's go to trial balance again, and the uncategorized expenses is 1042500. 1042500. I'll put it in credit, and the difference is on the credit side. So I'll put that difference to opening balance equity, and let's save in new and then close it and go to the trial balance, and let's see the balance now. Now, if you want to hide this, go to customize report, advanced, and display rows will be non-zeros only. So let's click OK. And now I think the balance is exactly the same. Yes, it is. So this is how you can make this adjustment in the trial balance, and your balances should match. In the next video, we will start working on our assignment as if the system is implemented and now just we are entering the day-to-day transactions.